I think making friends at uni is a decision you make from day one. So as soon as you sit down in your first lecture or your first tutorial, don't leave a gap in between. Actually take the time and be intentional to make small talk with someone, exchange names, because these are the people that you're going to be spending the next couple of years with in your degree.
The scariest part was definitely just starting the conversation. I was not very used to going up to people that I didn't know and just asking them questions, especially in the first few days of classes, because you see people around in lecture theatres, but you don't really know them. Just introduce yourself and maybe ask a question about the lecture or stuff about the course. That's how I really started my friendships.
During the very first lecture, try to talk to more people. The lecturer will tell you, say hi to your friends, say hi to the students around you, and that's how you make friends. That is a very important step.
Having friends at uni absolutely helped me settle in here. I think having people that I could rely on or see in different classes at different periods of the day was something that was really, really helpful in me and feeling comfortable. Having those people in different classes and in different areas who I could say, all right, you're my mate, you're here to help, was something that I think was really, really beneficial for me.
Having friends at UQ helped me settle into university life because it actually helped me keep accountable with where I was at during my semester. It was something to soundboard off to see, am I actually keeping up with lecture content? Am I putting enough effort in during the week to my studies?
At school, I was plodding around in the subjects that I had to do, like English and maths, but here at UQ, I've explored the subjects that I am really passionate about, and that means that all the people in those courses are also really passionate as well about those things, and I guess I've made friends there with all those common interests that weren't necessarily there at school.
My number one tip for people who are coming to UQ with no friends and might be feeling nervous about it is go to your classes in person and just sit next to someone. You'll make friends with someone who you can study with for the rest of your time at UQ.
The first tip I would give someone who is coming to UQ with no friends is that it is completely normal and it is something that everyone experiences. So not everyone has a group of friends that they start out with, and that is the perfect start to university because you get to meet people who are just going through the same situation. The biggest advice I would give is to just have an open mind and to approach people with confidence, because you do have something to offer on campus and your experiences and your tips and advices are also valuable.